Yeah, we got one assignment today. It shows which regions represent the solution to this system of inequalities. It's not equations. You don't just mark the intersection. When you have greater than or less than, you got to find the region that is shaded. So what I'm going to do on a piece of scratch paper is write the two inequalities. And I'm going to pick 3 random points for A, B, and C. Okay? So A, pick the ones I pick in the video. When you're working on your own, you can do yourself. So that's A, that'd be left 2, up 2. And you can pick anything in that region. So that's X, that's Y. B, I pick 1, 2, I'll just go that one. -4, 1. Up 1. Okay, that's X, that's Y. Then C, I'm not going to do D, because if I get down to A, B, and C don't work, I know the answer is D. So left 2, down 2, so that's -2, -2. Okay. Okay, alright, now away we go. Let's try A and both of them at the same time. So Y's out, 2 goes in. 2x, so that's 2 times the x, which should be -2. Plus 4. Y's out, 2's in. Give 3 over 2 times x, which would be -2 minus 3. Now all the math takes place on that side, okay? 2 times -2 plus 4. I got 0. Okay, then over there, math's on that side. 0. I didn't do that intentionally, it just happened. Okay, are we eating the bigger number here? Nope, that's false. And that one's false too. They both have to be true for A to be your answer, so it can't be A. Okay. Now repeat the process with the -4, 1. So 1 replaces Y and -4 replaces X. 1 replaces Y. -4 replaces X. Okay, 2 times -2 plus 4, 0. Okay, I'm not doing that on purpose. You're not always going to get 0. -3abc2 times 2, or sorry, -3abc2 times -4 minus 3. Finally, I didn't get 0. Okay, this is false. It eats the smaller number. This eats a bigger number, but they both have to be true, so B's out. Okay, now put the C in, so -2. And we're going to put -2 also in for X. -2 substituted for Y up there, less than or equal, times -2 minus 3. Okay. I have -2 on each side to start with, okay? 0. Again, not doing that intentionally. Got 0. What's bigger number? 0 is bigger than -2, so it eats 0, that's true. And it eats 0, that's true. So C, region C is the one that has all the true points. Okay, we wouldn't even need to worry about D. Okay, next problem. I'll just do it. I really don't need scratch paper, actually. I'm just going to copy them down. And then I'll do it right side by side. And that's a 1 right there. Okay, so A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's +3, 4. Pick a random point for B. -2, 2. Pick that one. That'd be -2, -3. Then D, I don't need to pick a point for. Okay. So let's try A first. So 4 replaces my Y's, both of them. And 3 replaces my x, so 1/4 times 3, -1 times 3 plus 4. Okay, I gotta find what 1/4 times 3 would be. Or 1/4 times 3, it's 3/4. Okay, then -1 times 3 plus 4, that's 1. That's false. This is true. This one's true. It eats the bigger number. So 4 is bigger than 3/4, but this one's eating the smaller number. That's false. Okay, it has to eat the bigger number. So A, forget him. Now B, -2, 2. So the 2 replaces the y's again. And then the x is replaced with -2. Times -2 plus 4. Okay, you're just replacing those x's up there with -2, the y's with 2's, and you're seeing if you have true or false. So 1/4 times -2 is -1/2. Okay, and then -1 times -2 is 2 plus 4 is 6. Eats the bigger number here. Okay, because 2 is bigger than -1/2. That's true. Here it eats a bigger number 2. That's true. So I have my answer. It's B. Okay. Since that point was true for both of them, all these points here are true for both of them. Okay. First, pick random points. This is A up here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for X. 6 for Y. Okay. B, let's go here. It's going to be right 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. X, Y. Okay, now let's go with C. It's left 2, up 2. You can do any point in there. I'm just randomly picking it. Okay, and then D, we don't need to pick a point because if I do A, B, C, D and don't have it, that leaves D. Okay, so I'd write those down. Okay, let's try A. So both of the Y's are replaced with 6. Both of our X's are going to be replaced with 6. So -1/3 times 6 plus 7, 6 plus 1. Okay, I need to find out what -1/3 times 6 plus 7 would be. I got 5. Okay. Right there, it eats the wrong number, so that's false. The other one, it doesn't matter if it's true. They both have to be true. Okay, so A isn't it. Okay, let's put 8 in for the Y's. So 8 and 8, then 2. So -1/3 times 2 plus 7, and 2 plus 1. So that's 3. Okay, eats the right number there. Okay, how about here? Six and 1/3. Okay. Well, 8's bigger than 6 and 1/3. It should eat the 8, so B is not an option. Okay, let's go with C. Put 2 in the Y. Take your X's and put -2 in, so -1/3 times -2 plus 7, and then -2 plus 1. Let's look at this one. So -1 ABC3 times -2 plus 7 gives me 7 2/3. Okay, it eats the right number there. How about here? -2 plus 1 is -1. Oh, it eats the right number here. So finally I got them both eating the right number. So C, shade, highlight that right there. Okay, C it is. Okay, last example. If your x has a negative, put a 1 because you need to multiply by -1. So y greater than or equal to -1x plus 5, and then y less than or equal to 3x minus 4. Okay, so line your points up. A, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 3, so that's positive 5, 3. B, I'll pick that point, that'd be 1. Then I'm up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 6. C, I'll go here. That'd be backwards 2, so -2 up 3. Then what D, there's no point, okay? Okay, y, 3 replaces each y. Then 5 replaces each x. -1 times 5 plus 5. 3 times 5 minus 4. -1 times 5 times 5 plus 5. I got 0. Okay, so it's eating the right number there. That's true. Okay. It's eating the right number right there. Thank you. I have my answer A. Okay. It's pretty awesome when A is the answer. Then I don't have to even test the rest of it. Okay.